Hi, my name is Sasa, and I am a mindset life coach. Mindset life coaching is a form of personal development coaching which focuses on existing limiting beliefs and thinking patterns to help the recipient reframe their mind, reframe their beliefs, and be able to overcome those limiting beliefs and thinking patterns which are false and they do not serve them. I inspire women and empower them to create a life they deserve even after emotional trauma and negative self-talk. Emotional trauma is one of the things which affect a lot of us. And emotional trauma can be caused by a variety of things. It can be because maybe of divorce, just like in my case. Mine was because of living in an emotionally abusive relationship. It can be because of grief. It can be anything which affects your mind and makes you not function properly. So I support you because this causes lack of confidence, it causes doubt, it causes you to repeatedly um, think negatively about yourself. So I support you to work through those things so that you can overcome them and live the life you deserve. Why mindset? Mindset is very important. It helps us to live a happier and fulfilled life. My approach to coaching is the holistic type of coaching where I look at the mind, the body, and the soul. I do this by using traditional coaching methods, mixing them up with mindfulness, meditation, and Reiki healing. Reiki healing, as you know, is a form of a healing which is non-invasive and it helps a lot of people. So I'm inviting you today. Let me share in your story so I can help show you how you can truly reset your mind and live a fulfilling and happier life. How you can overcome limiting beliefs, how you can gain confidence, and how you can be the best person you are meant to be. You were sent here for a purpose. So let me help you live that purpose.